This is the Citroen Spacetourer Quantum from GM. It has up to 7 passenger seats in it, as well as the wheelchair user, and it's a bit of a TARDIS. You'll see when we go inside a little bit later on. It's a really nice looking van. Let's go and have a look around. Let's take a look at this conversion. As you've come to expect from all the vehicles from GM, plenty of headroom. We've got the easy to use bifold low angle ramp. The winch makes guiding the wheelchair into the WAV and up the ramp absolutely effortless. And the electric reels prevent your wheelchair from going backwards. First thing you notice, inside here is masses of space. So you've got up to 7 passenger seats. The wheelchair user sat centrally can chat to everybody, but I really do like the privacy glass. So if you're looking from the outside in, you can't see what's going on inside, but inside here, you can still see that with lots of light coming into the cabin. Let's have a little look in the front. So, inside the cabin, we've got this fantastic steering wheel with possibly my favourite feature, the flappy paddles so we can change gear. It's a really, really attractive digital display. Over here on the touchscreen, we can navigate our way around the radio sections and all the other settings on there. As you can see, this one is actually an automatic, but it comes in manual. And I'm looking around the cabin, there is storage absolutely everywhere. So it's my first drive in the Spacetourer. Straight away, I love the high seating position. It gives you a lot of view around. You can see, you can be a little bit nosy as well. This one, of course, is the automatic transmission, and the gear changes seamless. You can't even feel them. It feels really, really smooth. In particular, I've been really interested to see how the flappy paddle gearbox works. So let's give that one a go, shall we? Just get on a bit of straight road, and I'm going to change down the gear. It kicks, you can feel that kicking straight away. Absolutely brilliant. Just coming around this corner, even though this is, quite a large vehicle, we've got up to 7 passenger seats in here, plus our wheelchair user. It's quite nippy actually. So there you have it. That's the Spacetourer Quantum from GM Coachwork. For a no obligation home demonstration, contact our team.